I'm going to make this super easy. I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube using your mobile phone and the YouTube application. Let's show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. For this demonstration, we're going to be using the YouTube application. So you can do this on your phone. So right here, I'm on the YouTube home, and you can see that the home icon is selected on the bottom of the screen there. I'm going to press my profile icon. I want you to follow along and do the same. This will open up your history and any playlist, as well as giving you the option to switch account and access your Google account information. What you want to do is you want to press the gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. This will open up the settings page. From this page, you want to select General, just underneath Accounts. This will open up this page. You can see that restricted mode is currently toggled off for me, but if this is toggled on, it will look like this. In order to turn restricted mode off, just tap toggle right there. You have successfully turned off restricted mode on YouTube using the YouTube application. If you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful to you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know what else you need help with so I can help you right here online on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. There's more where this came from.